What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Sandbox. Currently sitting at 463. We're down about 6% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 4.42 billion. 24-hour volume, 622 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app and grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. Let's hop into our friend Sand. So we're here on the 1 hour time frame. You can see here, we trended towards overbought on the RSI as well as the money flow moved back down. So incredible indicators to know when to take profits and to know when to enter trades. Now we've already had 4 of our entries hit for Sand. Our first entry was at 633, 567, 495, 445. And you might be like, Jax, we're so far away from our break even, but this is exactly what we wanted. Well, we're only about 11%, which happens, you know, in the course of like 5 hours in crypto. But this is exactly what we want to be doing while Bitcoin is consolidating. We want to be dollar cost averaging. We now have 4 times the amount in our trade, and we brought our break even all the way down to $5.34. So if we pop over to the 4 hour time frame, we are trending back towards oversold. So we may create some sort of little double bottom. I do think consolidation is what we're going to see, and possibly consolidation in a bit of a downtrend as Bitcoin goes back for a retest. But we may create a little bit of a double bottom. We do have a strong level of support right around that 445 previous resistance. So that could be where we're looking to come down to before we see a nice little bounce. Now it may take a while till we pass our break even once again. And that's why I always encourage you guys to diversify. I always encourage you to be trading multiple coins at the same time. As I mentioned in my Matic video, we've been crushing it trading Phantom. Well, the rest of the market consolidates. All right, guys. So do watch 445. Could definitely see a bounce from that level. If we break that level of support, our next buy zone is here at 396. So we pop over to the daily, guys. We have our descending triangle. I talked about that ABC correction. I do think Bitcoin would have to come down to about 30K. Let me quickly adjust this for us to see our friend Sand come all the way down, because this is about a 40% drop for Sandbox, which can be like a 15% drop for Bitcoin. Yeah, you're looking at about a 40% drop. But I think the likely scenario with BTC, as I've been mentioning, is we continue to consolidate as we go through this Wyckoff accumulation. But we could definitely do a little bit of something like this where we slowly come down, and that will cause the altcoins to bleed a bit. So we do have some support coming in right here at about 387 for Sand. Probably lines up with one of our buy zones. Let me quickly check. Yeah, 396, very, very close where that support level is for Sandbox. So do watch that. If you do see us start to lose this low and we invalidate that possible double bottom, then 385. But we are trending back towards oversold on the daily as well. So we could definitely see a bounce from about $4.44 for Sand. We're underneath the EMAs, currently hitting them as resistance on the daily. So as long as we stay underneath them, it will push the price down. But perfectly healthy to be going through this correction. I mean, look at Sandbox, guys. We just absolutely exploded. I do have some targets based off the fib pulled from our swing high back in May, May, March, April, all the way down to our crash low. So we have the 2 extension, which we've already hit at 850, and the 2.27 and the 2.618 at 15, the 3 at $30. When we do start to bounce back to the upside, what we'll do here is we'll take our Fibonacci from this swing high down to the swing low, wherever it is, and we'll target the 1.618, which right now is coming in at $14, which will be the next target of your impulsive wave. You can also take your Fibonacci from this swing high down to the swing low and give yourself a 1.618 as well, which is coming in at 989. Guys, if you want early access to the DCA charts as well as 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, you can sign up to the Patreon with all our DCA charts, which are updated regularly. Price of a coffee, $3.50 USD. You really can't beat it. All right, follow me on IG if you like to keep up with my personal life. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.